Hey there! So you want to know how to earn money online? Well, you've come to the right place. In this video, I'm going to share with you some awesome ways to make money using the power of the internet. Are you ready? Let's dive in. First off, let's talk about freelancing. Freelancing has become increasingly popular in recent years, and for a good reason. It offers you the flexibility to work on your own terms and make money doing what you love. There are various freelance platforms out there, such as Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer.com, where you can create a profile and offer your services in various areas like writing, graphic design, web development, social media marketing, and more. All you need is a marketable skill and some determination. Next up, affiliate marketing. Ever heard of it? Essentially, you promote other people's products or services and earn a commission for every sale you generate through your unique affiliate link. It's a win-win situation for both you and the company you're promoting. You can find affiliate programs in almost every niche imaginable. Amazon Associates is a great starting point, as they have a wide range of products to choose from. You can also check out affiliate networks like ClickBank and ShareASale for a variety of products to promote. Now, let's move on to something more creative: YouTube. If you haven't heard, YouTube is a massive platform with billions of users worldwide. And guess what? You can make money on YouTube. To get started, you'll need to create your own channel and start uploading videos. Find a niche that you're passionate about and create content that can engage your audience. Once you've gained a decent number of subscribers and views, you can apply for the YouTube Partner Program and start monetizing your videos through ads, brand endorsements, or even selling your own merchandise. Speaking of selling, let's talk about e-commerce. With platforms like Shopify and WooCommerce, setting up an online store has never been easier. You can sell physical products, digital downloads, or even dropship products from suppliers. The possibilities are endless. If you don't want the hassle of dealing with inventory and shipping, you can try print-on-demand services like Printful or Teespring. You design the products, and they handle the manufacturing and shipping processes for you. Plus, they integrate seamlessly with platforms like Shopify. But, hold on, there's more. Have you considered starting your own blog? Blogging can be a fantastic way to make money online, especially if you love writing and have a knack for storytelling. You can start a blog on any topic that you're passionate about and monetize it through various methods like display advertising, Google AdSense, Ezoic, sponsored posts, affiliate marketing, digital product sales, and even offering premium content or courses. Now, let's talk about something a bit different: online tutoring. If you have a particular skill or expertise, like playing the guitar, speaking a foreign language, or excelling in academic subjects, you can offer your services as an online tutor. There are platforms like VIPKid, Teachable, and tutor.com that connect tutors with students from all around the world. You can either teach one-on-one or in group sessions, depending on your preference. Not only is it a great way to make money online, but it's also incredibly fulfilling to see your students thriving and learning from your knowledge. Lastly, let's not forget about social media. These days, social media platforms have become more than just a way to stay connected with friends and family. They have also become powerful platforms for monetization. If you have a sizable following on platforms like Instagram, TikTok, or Twitter, you can partner with brands and get paid for promoting their products or services. Many influencers make a significant income solely from sponsored posts and brand collaborations. So, there you have it, some awesome ways to earn money online. Remember, it's essential to find something that aligns with your skills and passions. Don't be afraid to experiment and try different avenues until you find what works best for you. And most importantly, keep in mind that building a sustainable online income takes time, effort, and consistency. But with determination and the right strategies, you can turn your passion into a profitable online venture. Good luck on your online money-making journey.